With Arunachal Pradesh topping the chart of cash seizure in the region with less than a week to go for voting for the Lok Sabha and Assembly elections, the Congress in the state is up in the arms against the ruling BJP, demanding that Chief Minister Pema Khandu, party's Arunachal East candidate Tapir Gao and Deputy Chief Minister Chawna Main be debarred from contesting the polls.
Chief Minister डेवलपमेंट किया ही नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा वादा करता है, विकास का वादा, सबका साथ सबका विकास, और सरकार आपकी द्वार बात करता है लेकिन काम करता है कुछ नहीं है। ये नौतों की गद्दी में विश्वास करता है क्योंकि वो विजनरी लीडर है ही नहीं है, एक्सपीरियंस है ही नहीं है। नंबर नरेंद्र मोदी साहब आना था, उधर उस पैसा से वीर एकता करना था, एक नंबर। दो नंबर तापिर गांव साहब को और अपना बीजेपी कैंडिडेट को जितवाने के लिए, पैसा देने के लिए कॉन्वॉय में पैसा डाला गया है।
It is just 2 days back, ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Pasighat, that authorities seized 1.8 crore from 2 vehicles, which according to the additional chief election officer of Itanagar belongs to the son of Mebo BJP candidate Nagi Parme and former MLA Ralam Borang. Soon after the seizure of rupees 1.8 crore, the Congress had launched a direct attack on the BJP, with party leader Randeep Singh Surjewala accusing it of getting involved in a cash for vote scam.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्री पेमा खांडू के कॉन्वॉय से 180 लाख रुपया पकड़ा जाता है। पैसा प्रधानमंत्री की रैली में लोगों को लाने के लिए दिया जा रहा था।
The allegation, however, has been rejected outright by Chief Minister Pema Khandu.
बहुत ही गलत एक एलिगेशन है। तो इसमें देखिए अभी पैसा किसका है किसका नहीं है, इसका तो जो जांच जो होगा वो तो इलेक्शन कमीशन का अंतर्गत और इनकम टैक्स के अंदर में होगा। तो जो लगाया है टोटली बेकार का एलिगेशन है। कैश फॉर वोट जो है इनफैक्ट बीजेपी नहीं बल्कि कांग्रेस ही प्रैक्टिस इसमें ज़्यादा कर रहा है।
Meanwhile, in a letter submitted to the nodal officer East Siang, former MLA Ralam Borang claimed that the amount of rupees 80 lakh seized from the vehicle was the sum he borrowed from relatives to buy a piece of land. In another letter to nodal officer East Siang, Christopher Parme, the owner of the other vehicle, claimed that part of the amount of rupees 1 crore was earned by selling traditional beads and some portion of the seized money was borrowed from relatives to be invested in some contract. With the seizure, the total amount recovered in Arunachal till Wednesday stands at 5.49 crore, the highest in the region, where a total of rupees 10 crore has been seized since the Model Code of Conduct came into force. The All India figure of such cash, drugs, liquor and precious metal seizure during this period stands at 1,500 crore rupees according to the Progressive Seizure Report of the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission has fixed an expenditure limit of rupees 70 lakh per candidate per parliamentary constituency. Several surveillance teams and flying squads have been keeping an eye on such movements of cash and other items across the country. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.